You're among the best at doing what you do. But could you be doing even better? The fact is, a plumber works better with the right tools. Introducing the ProPlumber program. It features a suite of all the right tools to help you run, improve, and grow your business. And they're built around 4 categories important to you: support, rewards, reputation, and partnership. As a pro plumber, you'll be able to enjoy concierge-like, front-of-the-line access to our plumber business support team, including our dedicated agents that provide personalized onboarding to ensure you're maximizing the program's value. You'll also increase your visibility with priority listing on your brand's Find a Pro search. Stand out among the competition with an enhanced pro profile. Complete more jobs with online appointment booking. Gain a competitive edge with premier business growth coaching provided by Coach Firm. And have access to customized marketing support with advertising templates customizable with your contact information. Reach more customers with a free direct mail campaign sent to homes near each Pro Rebate eligible install. And you can get rewarded for all your hard work. Earn more money to put back into your business with Pro Rebates, a program that rewards you for selling and installing qualified Rheem, Rude, and Richmond water heating products. And get more of what you want with enhanced Pro Club rewards. As a pro plumber, you'll also build a robust online presence with a web suite and shine online with ratings and reviews management tools. Enhance your company's reputation with Bird Eye, an all-in-one experience marketing platform for multi-location businesses. Easily monitor and respond to your online reviews with Rep Booster. Stand out with exclusive Pro Partner badging for your fleet, website, and more. Pro plumbers can also save money with an enhanced co-op program that covers up to 60% of your advertising expenses. Expand your fleet with vehicle discounts. Have access to Rheem preferred vendors for discounts on outside services. And you'll be among the first to benefit from new Rheem innovations. Becoming a pro plumber isn't just a smart investment to grow your business. It's a smart investment that really pays off. In fact, pro plumbers with high benefit usage see the highest return on investment. So visit your brand portal or call the Plumber Business Support Team today.